Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put three tables side by side in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the table option. Then draw a table. Now I am resize the table. Then select the table and move on the side. Then click right button on our mouse and copy the table. Then click right button again and select the paste option. Then move inside. Then click right button again and paste in this place and move inside. Then select the whole table and move in middle to this page. Now we can see we insert three tables side by side easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.